Let me just solve my camera problems before I can finish my work. I'm doing today, let's just fix the camera. I'm sort of playing around with a new course. I'm releasing a course called for Bigfoot people. So if you're into Bigfoot and want to learn JavaScript, then I have a course for you. So yeah, there's one like that. I think we should go into our niches, and if we believe in something really, we should actually tell about it, talk about it. So yeah, my course will be about JavaScript, and if you are into Bigfoot, probably you will learn a lot. And yeah, I've actually did this short other day, and it kind of got popular last night. So I've got first short that got like over 1,000 views. So if you didn't see it, make sure you watch it. It's about like a real interview. All the best. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. All the best. So yeah, if I'm almost done with my. It's like a joke video about JavaScript for Bigfoot enthusiasts. Basically, like if you're into Bigfoot and wanna do JavaScript, probably that's the course for you. That's just like a joke. I mean, I don't know if I should say that it's a joke. It's a, or maybe I should be pretending that it's a real course for real people. I got like from Canva plenty of like silly images, silly videos, and gonna, but yeah, okay. So like this is obviously not my SaaS idea. This is not something will make me money. I just kind of sometimes I think like those shorts are actually pretty useful, or like those short videos, joke videos are actually pretty fun to do. And I think like if it's not the place where I can do it, then where? Like I'm not gonna do it in some corporation. I'm not gonna do it at work. So I can just rather at least I can do them on my own, which is kind of fun. And hopefully people will pick it and just my channel gets more popular. That's probably why I do it mostly. Why not? So, yeah, okay,
That's the gap this course fills. JavaScript for Bigfoot.
okay, so I have my this is the one. Okay, this is the course name, obviously. Would you pay for JavaScript for course if it was very specific to you? Let's say to your political beliefs or to your other stuff. Probably not. Like I mean, obviously people don't know it's a joke. It's no one is that stupid, I hope. Although, like, I was thinking about also one for Trump fans, So if you're into Trump,
People who already understand.
so if you like pro Trump or something, that's a course for you. So your political beliefs are actually
See the world. That's the gap this course fills.
okay. So then
JavaScript for Bigfoot enthusiasts.
okay, so this is here actually. Okay.
Is a complete modern JavaScript course designed specifically for people who already.
Okay, and this one will be at the end as well.
Start building software for what's actually. Stop learning while teaching JavaScript for Bigfoot. Then in.
Okay, this is again. Probably this should go slower or what? Maybe last frame should be just like longer. Yeah, okay, let's just make this one super long. And I think that will do. Change clip speed. Make it 20% and ripple timeline. And I think that's gonna be okay. Yeah, okay, let's just do it.
Bigfoot enthusiasts. Stop learning like a normal person.
Yeah, okay, and then like,
And you want a course that respects
some noise, hissing noise. Okay, again, why? Okay, let me just, thanks for letting me know. I do have a filter that, oh, no, that's a, oh, okay, I'm on the wrong camera. Okay, I can, so probably my audio is from Brio, not from the, no, it's from mic. I don't know, like there is a, there appears to be some noise, hissing noise when I speak. Shit, maybe that's my microphone. I don't know. Okay, let's just turn this off. Is it still there? Okay, let me just play it. Noise, hissing noise. Okay, again. What? And I think that will do. Change clip speed. Yeah, the audio sounds not very well. And ripple timeline, and I think that's gonna be okay. Yeah, okay, let's just do it.
Bigfoot enthusiasts.
Other stuff. Probably not. Like it's, I mean, obviously people don't know it's a joke. It's okay. No one is that. Let's try again. Let's unplug and plug back in. Sorry, I think I did that already. Yeah. Okay, that's not the mic actually. Yeah, this one. I don't know actually. Let's try other audio. What would be actually? Like if I just disable. Apply. Hey, okay. I don't know actually. It seems to be adding it somewhere. Maybe it's a. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I think I can see it actually. I can see that, but I don't know where it's coming from. Filters. Oh, there's no filter here. Okay, nice. Okay, let's try now. Yeah, I think that's okay. This should be better. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. This seems to be, yeah, this seems to be solving, I think, the problem. At least I don't see it. Yes. Maybe check it after your stream. Yes, I think I solved it. Yeah, I solved it. I've just, for some reason, there was no filter on my audio. So I always want to filter the audio from the hissing. Shit, and I keeps on getting streaming software connected. Yeah, I keeps on being disconnected for some reason. Better, thanks. So yeah, okay, let's get back to my course.
And you want a course that respects your
Okay, so this is good one. I'm just gonna finish that one. It's two more minutes, I think, and I'll just export it and just throw it to the internet. So let's. Anything left?
Yeah. That's the gap. This.
Okay, the gap. Some stuff is like so. Okay, some skill stuff. Okay, I have the gap here. Let's have this abstract guy jumping. Here, that's the gap.
That's the gap this course fills.
Yeah, okay, and the last one.
Time on skeptics. We build software.
Okay, there is a software. We build software. And yeah. We build software. Where is the software? Is there any software again? Oh, this is cool actually. Yeah, this is nice. So like I took that shit from Canva, like you know, whatever. So it looks like proper course, which is obviously
On skeptics, we build software.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
You'll start with the fundamentals. variables, and known facts. You'll learn when data should be constant. We don't
Okay.
filtering reliable web applications, reaching real enthusiasts.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Oh, sorry. I'm swearing too much. I'm really sorry. I don't even know why. Okay. So this is the Bigfoot for sorry, the JavaScript for Bigfoot enthusiasts, which is my newest course, which I hope you will sell a lot and I will make lots of money. But there's a chance that it will just be a joke, so I hope it's not actually, because you should take it seriously. And I also today recorded another video about like, actually this one is serious, about like I actually had like, I've been doing some interviews for some jobs. I don't want them too much, but I might need to take one eventually in like 2 or 3 months or 4 months. I don't know, whenever I run out of money. And you know, I might actually so I'm actually interviewing, so I actually wrote down like the sort of top tips to actually get more money from your job. If you're an engineer, you know, like, or I mean, this could work for most of the jobs anyway, because there's very few very specific to what we do tips, but like some of them are actually a bit more about technical stuff, and some of them are just you know, normal day-to-day stuff. So basically, like yeah, I just like wrote down like I think I came out with 7, then I just asked ChatGPT to think of a couple more, and then it gave me like few more, and then I combined mine with theirs. And but like most of them, like the first few, are actually just like, you know, what I think is the most important. And I think the most important is obviously going for lots of interviews. That's my top one. And you know, and relaxing before the interview itself. You know, when you go for the interview, just make sure you just have an hour earlier to relax and chill out. So it's not only about, you know, preparation and your performance. Oh, I think I might have actually an interview now. Maps, calendar. Is it now? Because I might have one now. No, I have one in half an hour. Good, good. Actually, I will finish this video. Yeah, it actually says here I have a talk with a recruiter. Basically, it's nothing too much. Okay, let's just with my course, I actually had like ChatGPT talk, like discussion about how to do it best. Like, you know, some ideas. So I will just ask my ChatGPT, because it knows a context. You want to work for me? Are you sure? I'm not paying. I want to work for you. Yeah, I'm not really paying, so it's really that's probably hardest thing to in terms of working. But what can you do then? Maybe I might actually, you know, if I find you useful, who knows, you know. And I think like this YouTube thing might actually start paying not too far away. Like I might actually start making money with this, so I could actually share that kind of the revenue with people. That's probably something I would Angolan. Okay, that doesn't matter really to me. You could be from wherever. That's very, like, it's cool. Like I don't know much about Angola. Is it like French speaking? Do I know this much? Or am I like idiot even? Portuguese. Okay, that's even, yeah. So yeah, you can see that probably like you should think twice if you want to work for me, because I don't even know much about Angola. So what can you do actually? That's probably most interesting to me. Chat GPT. Yeah, where's the Bigfoot stuff? Science page structure. Okay, what's this? Okay, where's my Bigfoot stuff? Comedy guide interview. Yeah, okay. I don't know. I lost the Bigfoot stuff somewhere. That's a pity. Oh no, I think I know where it is. I tested actually a new feature in ChatGPT where you can put folders. So that was my latest technology discovery, that you can add folders with topics. And then, okay, so I actually also wrote like silly project, like a. Oh, you're asking if I speak Portuguese? No, I don't speak Portuguese. Sorry, I thought you said you speak Portuguese in Angola. That's what I understood. I'm kind of reading too quick. What was my thing? So the thing was, I have a video for you promoting this title and description plus description hashtags, also post for LinkedIn and X. Yeah, that's how I actually post things on LinkedIn and X. I don't really care about those platforms too much. I care mostly about YouTube, and it's kind of fun, most fun here. I want to work for you. Yeah, but like, what can you do? How can you work? Because I could actually use some help with different things, but I don't know. You have to tell me. What can you help me with? Because for example, like the most help I could use now is actually with YouTube stuff, you know, to create shorts and stuff. All for me. Wanna work for you, please? Yeah, okay. And translate all for me. Okay. So yeah, I could probably use that, like creating shorts out of my stuff. The less I have to do there, the more happy I will be, and the more likely I will be paying. I made the JavaScript first, but okay. Are you sick of normal JavaScript courses? Try Bigfoot. This is a real course. Yeah, that's probably the best title. Yeah, JavaScript, but finally for Bigfoot people. Yes, okay. Okay, I think that's the best one. I think like this is basically the title of my course, and then I'll have to make a shirt out of it as well. Most wherever. I don't. Yeah. Okay, whatever. This is just a. This is actually like when you like. AI is pretty good for generating this marketing crap. Like if you don't want to spend too much time writing things, then yeah, this is good. This is good place to actually get it done. Yeah. Yeah, export. And where do I put it? JS for Bigfoot. JS. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you have to tell me what you can do. Then I might be able to find your stuff. Otherwise, it's really hard for me to tell you how I can, or if you can just make up stuff and impress me. That's probably even better. Like if you can actually make things for me, and like as I'm saying, like the most important for me now is YouTube. I mean, no. It's like, sorry, the most important for me now is Planero, which is my main app, which is my SaaS app, which I will actually be working on probably right after this, you know, right after I'm done with this video, and right after this interview, which I have in 25 minutes, and then and this is actually something that I'm broadcasting the most. Then I will also be, but then I want to actually start making those videos about, you know, just share my experience actually, because I think I have plenty of, especially working for like corporations, and I know how to actually get those jobs, how to work there, how to be good corporate buddy, and some people might be actually interested. Although like I'm much more interested now in sort of going on my own. So that's probably something that where I could be, most of the help from outside could be useful. As I'm saying, like I don't really have that much money now to actually spread around. You would have to do something that will directly make me money, so I can share that money. And I think actually currently the YouTube might actually be the closest thing to something where I could actually one, make money, two, share that money, because it's actually very easy to check statistics and see how much, you know, the video, if you did video for me out of my stuff, that's actually very easy for you to actually know how much, you know, how many views you actually did, and just know how much I had to pay So that's something, but like this is actually something I'm throwing around quite often, and I had like a couple of people sort of inquiring, but so far not much actually from not much help there. Unless you have other skills, I don't know. I might actually, but you would have to tell me what you can do, and then I can think of that. That's probably same for others. If and translate all for me. I have okay, Mas. Okay, I don't know what you are doing actually. So yeah, okay, I'm back to my Bigfoot stuff. I think it's gonna be out in a minute. A LinkedIn post. Learn into product tricking education field. Okay, most online courses are designed for everyone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will drop that on my LinkedIn. Please don't speak Portuguese to me. Like I will have to copy it and paste it to other place, which I don't really want to. Speak English, dude. Okay, that's done. Go to YouTube. And let's just throw it out there and see how it goes, how it does. If it does well, then great. If not, then whatever. You know, took me maybe 2 hours to do, so that might not be that such a waste of time. JavaScript for Bigfoot enthusiasts. I don't know why I would do that. Why would I be translating that? Yeah, let's have a screenshot of, I think the best for this will be this will be Ctrl F, make a print screen, Ctrl, no, it's a Windows Shift S, yes? Windows Shift S. Yeah. Actually, let's do it this way. Yeah. Paint. That's the quickest. No, not here. Yeah, okay. Pretty much done, which is good. I like the quick videos. Let's make it public in a minute. Done. Oops. Okay, let's just Bigfoot, blah blah blah. You will learn. La la la. Error handling. Yeah. Development, programming. Learn to code, front end, coding cars, Bigfoot, Sasquatch, indie creator, dev humor. Yeah, okay, let's just make sure that people understand that it's a satire. And yeah, we can post it. No, it's not made for kids. Let's just throw it out there and see how the internet sees it. Oh, it's badly cropped.
Tata, czy jesteś głodny?
No, mogę coś zjeść. Yeah, my daughter is asking if I want to eat stuff. That's a nice daughter. Okay, I think like that's done, is it? Is it out? Public? Yeah, I think we are out. Good. Yeah, good. Done. Although, like, maybe I should make a Bigfoot. Już idę, starczy. Actually, maybe I should make it like a Bigfoot. I can make even more jokey. Oh, yeah, I should make a generate one Canva. Let's just make an image of Bigfoot on the laptop. Yeah, that's probably more likely. Yeah, no. Designs, brands, upload, probably not this. Create, that's like an image. Where's image? Where are images? Video, presentation, logo, YouTube thumbnail. Oh, that's best, yes. You want to make a YouTube thumbnail. And is like a AI here somewhere? Logo maker, background, restore old, background, magic media. That's probably that, is it? Even have a big foot on a laptop working. Yeah, let's try that. And actually, maybe Bing will do better. Bing image create. Yes, I want a image. Oh, it knows I want an image, obviously. Make a Bigfoot working on a laptop for you. And I really need to work for you, not just for money, but also for an experience I want to have. Really like Americans, they're very Americans, they're very friendly and nice. And if you translate from English to Portuguese, always want to say something, just go to Google. Yeah, but I don't really know the part about translating to Portuguese. I don't understand that. Why would I want to do that? Like, if you want to communicate with me, then fine, like we can, but me actually, oh yeah, that's a monkey. It's not a Bigfoot. What are you doing, bro? I have I just make a video, like a joke course for like about course for for JavaScript for Bigfoot enthusiasts. That's what would be my course. Just like a joke, So okay, I think that's a cool one. Although this is a gorilla. Okay, this is like I've just released quickly like a video I did today. Let's say it's a joke, obviously. And I just want to make a graphic for it. Sorry, that I know it's not SaaS related. It's more of a stupid kind of YouTube's jokes and stuff. Yeah, let's do that. This. I wish it was actually rectangular. Oh, okay, I can do. Yeah, let's do projects, tools, some elements, templates, some design, and something that has like two halves, yeah, like this. And yeah, that will say online. So yeah, indeed says Java for big and yes. Okay, let's make this bit smaller, this bit bigger, even more. This will be smaller. 36. Let's center all of that. And maybe this will be bigger. Yeah, this is bigger. This is bigger. Yeah, so that's what are you doing, bro? Yeah, that's probably. And I know it's not SaaS today. Okay, I wanna finish this one. Do I have my Bigfoot here? Yes, it's Bigfoot is here. Good, my Bigfoot. Let's make him bigger. Yeah, okay. So it's a Bigfoot on the laptop, which makes it even more ridiculous. Let's just download this one, quickly throw it on YouTube, and go and eat dinner, because this is what my daughter was asking me if I want to actually eat dinner. And I have a sort of quick interview with a recruiter today, and it's not like I want a job so much, but might need to. I'm doing some recruitment anyway, you know, just in case if my SaaS doesn't work out. So I might need to. Yeah, let's go. Where's my content? Let's edit this. Change this. Where's the graphic here? Change. Yeah, that's done. Save. Yeah, okay. So unfortunately, I'll have to go. And Messianos Castro, if you want a job or whatever, work with me. I don't really know how to deal with it. Like, you have to let me know what you want. My email is office@planero.eu. Feel free to write there your resume or like your ideas. I don't really, to be honest, I don't really care about resumes, but if you feel like you need that kind of thing to actually work, that's fine. For me, your work, like if you show me something impressive, that will show that will actually give me reasons to pay you, I'll pay you. And for me now, the most important are video. I mean, as I explained earlier, I can probably pay you for making videos for me or like shorts and stuff, but you would have to prove that it's actually useful. Sorry.